Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Almost Famous!
Welcome to another episode of Almost Famous. She's her dad's daughter from his third marriage. She started her B-Town career with two big banners. She's drop-dead gorgeous and has been linked with young cricketers. I am talking about Shahzan Padamsee. And yes, this is going to be one hell of a spicy episode. So here we go, ringing her doorbell. Ting, ting. शाहजान, वेलकम टू ऑलमोस्ट फेमस।
थैंक यू, इट्स ग्रेट टू बी हियर सिमी।
तो शाहजान, मेरे शो पे जो सेलिब्रिटीज़ आते हैं, दे आर मोस्टली देयर ऑन द शो बिकॉज दे आर कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल, दे आर वेरी स्कैंडलस एंड आई लव सच पीपल। बट आपकी तो जैसे मैं बोल रही थी स्कैंडल्स ही नहीं है। वाई आर यू सो बोरिंग? आपकी स्कैंडल्स क्यों नहीं है, कॉन्ट्रोवर्सीज क्यों नहीं है? आई थिंक यू ऑन दिस शो बिकॉज यू आर वेरी ग्लैमरस, बट वाई सो बोरिंग?
Thank you, Simi, for the glamorous part. Well, I think honestly, I'm not somebody who takes to controversies. I don't think I need to resort to all that. I don't think I need to go out and with somebody and be seen and make a huge hue and cry about it. And I think there's something about me for you to call me on your show.
मीडिया में सबसे harsh आपके बारे में क्या कहा गया?
I think सबसे harsh happened to me last year. दिल तो बच्चा है जी की रिलीज़ के बाद मैं कई पार्टी में गई थी और नेक्स्ट डे पेपर्स में दे हैड लिंक्ड मी अप टू दिस पर्सन एंड लिखा गया था कि शी इज़ डेटिंग हिम एंड दे वेंट फॉर अ ड्राइव।
आई थिंक आई नो हू यू टॉकिंग अबाउट। यू वर लिंक्ड टू युवराज द क्रिकेटर एंड देन एट द सेम टाइम इवन श्रीशांत।
यस।
So were you double dating the cricketers?
Not at all, not at all. I mean, I may have just met them socially.
What about Shrishant? वो rumor कहाँ से आया?
वो भी मुझे नहीं पता actually. He came to the दिल तो बच्चा जी screening. तो वहाँ पे we met and we did go for a drive.
Okay.
But what is wrong with that? I don't see anything wrong with that. Next day इस पेपर में आके they're seeing each other and they went for this romantic drive. ऐसा कोई romantic drive नहीं था. It was a very normal drive.
Why did it upset you so much? You're good looking, you're single and you're young, and so were both the boys. तो अगर आपका link up हुआ तो आप इतनी upset क्यों हुई? Isn't that good for your image?
First thing I called Dad and I said, Dad, look at this, and he was laughing his head off because my dad he's the most chilled out father ever. He never takes anything seriously in life.
So you've not learned to enjoy the rumors because they give you a lot of attention.
Honestly, they bug me a lot.
हम अगर controversies की भी बात कर रहे हैं तो you probably looking at the other people who are at your level in Bollywood, or even if we have the stars, इतनी ज़बरदस्त strategizing is involved in trying to keep them famous, into trying to keep them in the news. You don't think that's important?
Well,
यहाँ तक कि गलत रूमर्स भी फैला देते हैं, अपने आप को लोगों से लिंक अप कर देते हैं, उनके खुद के पब्लिसिस्ट जो हमारे बड़े बड़े सुपरस्टार्स हैं, even they have big budgets for publicity to just spread controversies.
Well, I think मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में बच्ची हूँ अभी तक, मैं अपना PR strategies रखती हूँ, but they're more devoted and more focused towards my work.
Shahzan, like you said that you're a baby in Bollywood. You're of course not a newcomer because you have very prestigious banners behind you that you worked for right in the beginning. But जब आप बोलती हैं कि आप baby हैं and आप young हैं, and then we have all these actresses today who are reigning right on top, and whether it's their item songs or whatever. I don't want to take any names here, लेकिन काफ़ी सारी ऐसी actresses हैं who right now are in their 30s but they're projecting themselves like they're 24 and 25.
I find it very funny, but if it helps you get more films and if it gives you a longer shelf life by lying about your age, then why not? I'm nobody to pass my opinions on them.
You got to work with two really good banners here. One was Yash Raj Films and one was of course Madhur Bhandarkar with Dil To Bachcha Hai Ji. But kahin pe, why has your career growth been a little sluggish?
I don't think it's been a conscious decision as such. Sometimes ऐसा भी होता है कि the right film, you're waiting for it to come.
तो क्या आप बहुत फंसी हैं?
मैं ज़्यादा फंसी नहीं हूँ, but I do believe in quality work.
जहाँ तक आपकी legacy है, whether it's your dad and the kind of respect he has commanded, he's a pioneer when it comes to theatre and acting. आपकी mom है जो Sharon Prabhakar, you know, she was so famous with Evita, and you have these genes in you. So share some of your memories and your feelings and how you probably have acting in your genes.
Well, it's funny you said that क्योंकि जब मैं छोटी थी मुझे याद है कि you know all my friends used to go for cricket on Saturdays and Sundays and play football and all that. My Saturdays and Sundays were spent on the stage. जब मैंने पहले भी theatre किया था dad के साथ, it was just something that it just came very naturally, you know. There was no effort or anything involved in it. Plays में जो extras होते हैं ना, I used to be one of them, one of the kids in the big scenes जहाँ there's one scene where Evita comes out and there are all these fans and they're saying, oh Evita, Evita, and I was one of the kids over there who stood up.
So आपने अपना career junior artist के role में
show किया? Of course, as an extra, as a junior artist.
You know, your family is very unconventional, and लोग तो शायद इतना ही जानते होंगे that your parents have separated. But it's otherwise been a very unusual and very forward family. In fact, आपकी जो mom है Sharon, ये आपकी dad की third wife हैं.
Yes.
And it's usually जब ऐसे होता है, there's a lot of bitterness. आपके dad ने 3 शादियाँ की और हर marriage से जो बच्चे हैं, आप लोग इतने intermingled और involved हैं.
Thanks to my dad, he's so open-minded. You know, ऐसा नहीं है कि he never made us feel, you know, this is your step brother or this is your step sister. Bachpan se he used to say that this your real brother Kwasar and your real sister Rayal. So I think bachpan se if you put that if somebody's grown up with those sensibilities, then there's never any bitterness.
The children, yes, but what about the stepmoms?
You won't believe it. My sister had her birthday last week, and Dolly Thakur, who's my dad's second wife, and my mom were jiving for like 2 hours.
They were dancing
yes.
together. So, आपके दोनों parents actors हैं. Do you think they're very critical when you start acting and they're looking at you?
Yes, oh yes.
Because they're natural actors.
Dad तो बहुत ही critical है.
How old were you when you first started dating?
How old was I? 16.
Shahzan, you were also dating Sky, Akashdeep Sehgal.
I was never dating Sky, just to clear the rumors.
उनसे जब मैंने पूछा, उन्होंने deny भी नहीं किया. In fact, मैंने उनसे कहा कि आपकी तीनों girlfriends ने, ex-girlfriends ने आप पे violent होने का इल्ज़ाम लगाया है. And he did not even deny the relationship.
Really? That's very strange.
जहाँ तक आपका link up युवराज सिंह के साथ है, यहाँ तक कहा गया है कि युवराज ने आपको एक पेन कमर्शियल के लिए रेकमेंड किया and that's how you got that ad.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I signed that pen commercial on my own merit right after दिल तो बच्चा है जी, और मेरे लिए एक बहुत ही बड़ा accomplishment था. तो I don't want to give that merit to anybody else. या थोड़ा सा I need the credit for myself also.
युवराज ने आपको बिल्कुल recommend नहीं किया था?
Not at all.
Well, he is quite a flirt. So how did you manage to escape his charms?
I don't think he's a flirt. I wish boys would flirt with me more.
Why? They don't.
A lot of people say even Ranbir is a big flirt, but मेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. I was just hoping none of these boys flirt with me.
तो जब आपने रॉकेट सिंह की and रणबीर कपूर के साथ जो आपका kissing scene हुआ था, आप काफी excited थी. You had said that he's your crush and that he had kissed you.
Actually, the funniest thing is कोई kiss था ही नहीं.
बिल्कुल, रणबीर ने तो deny किया, लेकिन आपने कहा था कि he's your first crush and that you really enjoyed the kiss.
Of course, I think every girl has a crush on Ranbir Kapoor, and not only him. I have crushes on all the actors in our industry. They're all
Like who else?
I love Saif, Ranveer Singh, Imran Khan. I think they're all great looking and super talented. Yeah. So what's not to have a crush on them?
Well, you left out all the other Khans from your list.
They're a little bit older, so I think it'll be a little funny if I say I have a crush on them.
तो आपको लगता है कि जब एक 20-something girl is doing movies only with 40-something heroes, उनकी जो career की जो shelf life है, वो short हो जाती है?
नहीं, I don't think short हो जाती है. I think it boosts your shelf life.
How?
It's important to be with somebody who's well known. I consciously want to work with the well-known heroes. And as long as people are willing to cast me, I'm more than happy to be opposite them.
So you're willing to work with the 40+ heroes?
Oh yes, definitely.
Shahzan, I think the only thing that probably crops up when we research on you on the internet या interviews में जब आप आई तो ऐसे सुना था कि आपका nose तब अलग लगता था, then you went through some cosmetic surgery, and जब आप Houseful 2 कर रही थी तो ऐसे सुना गया है कि वहाँ पे continuity problems थे because there was a little change in your face, maybe for the better, but आपका nose पहले के scenes में and then suddenly when you took a break and came back for the shooting was looking very different. So What is the long and the short of your nose story here?
नहीं, आपको साजिद खान को ये सवाल पूछना पड़ेगा. He doesn't see anything wrong. So he is the director of the film. It's his film. And I know कि internet पे बहुत सारे culprits होते हैं जो who want to pull you down always when you're doing well.
So did you go for the nose job?
No, I have not gone for the nose job.
Shahzan, you did say that the meanest thing that you ever read about yourself or was said in the media to you. But what is the nicest thing the media has said about you?
दिल तो बच्चा जी की release के time पे when the reviews had come out, a lot of the very important, well-known critics had said कि मुझे ऐसा लगा नहीं कि वो acting कर रही थी. She was just the character. So I think that was a big compliment for me.
मीडिया ने तो आपके बारे दिल तो बच्चा है जी के परफॉर्मेंस के बारे अच्छी तारीफ कर दी, लेकिन जो आपकी को स्टार थी, को एक्ट्रेस थी श्रद्धा दास, I don't think she had very nice things to say about you. उन्होंने यहाँ तक कहा कि you had too many tantrum spells.
Now the film is over, so I can sit and tell you very honestly, it was a planned thing. Shraddha and me became quite good friends during the shooting of the film, and it was given as a publicity stunt, and it worked. It's come on your show 1 year later.
After so many months, Madhur Bhandarkar, you're always media savvy. हमेशा हम लोग बनाते हैं. Did he advise you on this?
Yes, but it was all done in fun. In fact, Shraddha और मैं जब the news had come in the papers, we were sitting and giving each other high fives in the next day.
Oh my God! And then you blame the media. आप लोग हमें बेवकूफ बनाते हो. What is the best part about Bollywood?
It's a high. It's like a drug.
Shahzan, you're very urban girl, very pretty, very thin, and petite. और अब जो हमारी heroines हैं, people like Sonakshi Sinha, Vidya Balan, they have completely changed the scenario.
Yes.
जहाँ पे they are big and they've बहुत देसी look अपना लिया उन्होंने. Do you think that's a good thing?
Every actor is different, and I think hats off to Vidya Balan and for doing a film like Dirty Picture. She's proved that a film can run on a woman's name.
Bollywood में सबसे sexiest hero कौन है आपके लिए?
Saif.
I'm sure Kareena is not going to smile at you really widely.
I think he's a complete package. He's like the perfect eligible bachelor, and he's so classy, and he speaks so well also. So
who's the sexiest girl in Bollywood?
Katrina Kaif.
Why?
I have always liked her. I think she's very graceful. I really admire her style and her grace.
What do you think is your sex appeal? That one thing that attracts guys the most?
मेरी आँखें और my smile.
Well, and अब हम आपके घर पर हैं, तो हमारी viewers को आपका घर दिखाते हैं.
Oh, please,
आपका super sweet दिखाते हैं, and आपकी मम्मी से भी उन्हें मिलाते हैं.
Okay, let's
Ready?
go for it. Yes.
Okay. Can Shahzan bring her boyfriends home?
Boyfriends, I don't know, but
Okay, एक boyfriend.
जी बिल्कुल.
Hey Sharon, welcome to the show.
क्यों?
तो शाहजान और मैं अभी बैठ के काफ़ी देर से बातें कर रहे हैं, एंड अभी जो ऑलमोस्ट एंड में एक क्वेश्चन पूछा मैंने शाहजान से कि शाहजान को क्या लगता है कि उनकी सेक्स अपील कहाँ है, तो शी इज़ गिवन मी द आंसर, बट मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ.
मुझे लगता है कि शाहजान की जो खासियत है, दो चीज़ें हैं. एक तो इसका जो चेहरा है, ये जो मुलायमपन और भोलापन जो है, मैंने इसको बहुत रेयरली देखा है. Very few people have this quality.
तो ये तो हम उनकी ब्यूटी की बात कर रहे हैं, बट व्हेन आई आस्क यू फॉर द oomph factor, what is her sex appeal?
She's got a beautiful body.
Yes.
आपने हाउसफुल में भी देखा था बिकिनी, जब साजिद ने कहा था कि आपको बिकिनी पहनना पड़ेगा, ये डर गई थी पहले. उन्होंने सोचा कि भाई मैं कैसे करूँगी. I said no, it's a challenge. I think you know what, life is short. If you've got it, flaunt it.
शाहजान की जो लिंकअप्स हुए हैं, आई वाज जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, तो जब आप ये सब लिंकअप्स के बारे में सुनती हैं, सो डू यू आस्क शाहजान कि ये क्या हो रहा है, और यू ऑलवेज इन द नो?
मुझे बहुत हंसी आती है. There is no problem at all. Let the media have their day. No problem.
Can Shahzan bring her boyfriends home?
Boyfriends, I don't know, but
Okay, एक boyfriend.
जी बिल्कुल.
How do you manage to keep that balance कि कहीं पर आप अपने हस्बैंड की एक्स वाइफ के साथ डांस कर रही हैं, तो कहीं पे आप उनकी आपकी स्टेप डॉटर के साथ एक्टिंग कर रही हैं, कोई इन्हें कहीं लॉन्च करना चाह रहा है, तो ये पॉसिबल कैसे है?
पहले साल में जब मेरी शादी पहले हुई थी, एलिक और मैं, हम लोगों ने इस टॉपिक पे बात की थी, और मुझे फील हुआ कि एलिक ने कई गलतियां की थी, और मैंने वहीं का वहीं फैसला कर लिया था कि हम अपने दिल के दरवाजे खोलेंगे. Now when I look back at it, हमारा खानदान इतना बड़ा है. आप एक दावत अनाउंस करो, 50 लोग पहुंच जाते हैं. So we are 50 people.
तो जब शाहजहान छोटी थी and obviously ये जो पूरा atmosphere था एकदम अलग था. Did she ask you any questions? There was also a big age gap between you and your husband, her dad, and अलग सा माहौल था. तो शाहजहान क्वेश्चंस पूछती थी.
हमारे फैमिली में इतना सारा प्यार था बचपन से that I never felt any gap के you know my dad was always there, my mom was always there.
So was Dolly, so was Kwasa, so was
everybody. Everybody was together all the time.
ये दिखती तो बहुत कम सिन सी हैं, क्यूट सी हैं, but एक बार she took me on also at a party and that's the reason. See, मैं शाहजहान को कह रही थी कि I don't know why you're on my show because मैं अपने शो पे सिर्फ controversial लोगों को लाती हूँ. So I said कहीं पे maybe that answer will come to my mind. तो I met her at a party and मैंने इनके बारे कुछ negative कहा था. So she came and spoke to me and she said be nice to me, you know, next time. So I'm like, wow, this girl has some fire in her. Do you see that fire in her?
I see a lot of fire in her. She has got passion and fire, which is, I think, 2000% more than I had.
Hey Sharon, so much for talking to us and sharing all this with us. It's been very wonderful and आपने काफी अपनी private बातें हमारे साथ share की. That is so nice of you. I'm sure our viewers will love this segment.
शुक्रिया.
And अब हम आपके घर को raid करने वाले हैं. We're going to share Shahzahan's home with our viewers.
Oh, lovely.
Okay.
You obviously don't enjoy wearing makeup.
मुझे मेकअप ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. Even if I'm going out wherever shopping or for a movie, I never wear makeup. Only for work.
So here we are inside Shahzahan's bedroom and it's a big suite. शाहजहान, मैं देख रही हूँ कि आप एक्ट्रेस हैं, आप बॉलीवुड से हैं और फिर भी आपके पास इतना कम मेकअप है. I think any girl would have more makeup than this.
ये तो आधा से भी कम है. Because I knew you were coming, I didn't keep all my makeup out because then you'd say, oh, you have so much makeup. So this is just like quarter of my makeup.
But you obviously don't enjoy wearing makeup.
मुझे मेकअप ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. Whenever I go out with my friends and all, I never put on makeup. Even if I'm going out wherever shopping or for a movie, I never wear makeup. Only for work.
बाकी सब आपका बहुत organized है. All your things, you're just ready to just.
This is actually my mom's idea. She loves because she knows that I'm always late. So whenever I'm late, I just pick up something, put it on, and I just leave.
And यहाँ पे भी सब कुछ काफ़ी organized है, तो it's quite obvious कि आप ज़्यादा time नहीं waste करती हैं to glam up yourself.
Not at all. मैं जब भी events के लिए जाती हूँ, मैं जल्दी में होती हूँ. I don't have time. I just need to put something on in 2 seconds. So I just look here and I put it on and it's done. Very convenient.
अब जो हमारे young viewers हैं, they will love to see how you dress up and what kind of clothes you have in your closet.
Yes.
तो हमने निकाल दिए आपके wardrobe से कपड़े, तो should we show them some of your clothes?
Please.
Your sexy dresses.
Yes.
Come.
So ये मेरे सबसे favorite dresses है. Most of my favorites, not all of them, but how many ever I could find. मेरा style बहुत ही girly है, feminine है. I love as I'm wearing. This is my favorite dress.
The doll look.
Yes, I love the doll look and it suits me. Ultimately, it's what suits you, and I think it suits me. So these are my favorite dresses.
Which is the sexiest one you think you have here?
The sexiest one, I think this one.
Okay.
This is, I think, quite sexy. This is quite hot.
Very nice.
Very fitted. You know, it's got a great fit. It's a baby dress, and in fact, I bought it from Bombay.
Wow, and it's really nice.
Yeah.
I'm sure you're going to look very pretty in it.
Thank you. In fact, जब हम लंदन में थे हाउसफुल के शूट के लिए, I had about 3-4 days off. So हम mom and me went straight into the city. And we bought a lot of lovely summer dresses and a lot of beautiful floral prints and all. But sometimes you're lucky enough to get something like this in your own city.
Well, we are lucky enough to be here with you and we had such a wonderful chat with you. Thank you for being on Almost.
Thank you, Simi. It was a pleasure.
Hi, this is Omar Qureshi. Follow the Zoom TV channel on Daily Motion and get fresh news of Bollywood entertainment 24/7.